National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Polk, Trinity, Angelina, Nacogdoches.
Okay, we're almost home. Keep an eye out for storm clouds.
What happens if I see one?
Get out of the car, lay down low, so fast as over.
Get out of the car?
Cars get picked up, stay on the ground.
Okay.